All right. Well, good evening, everyone. XMax Trading here. Just want to go over some important Bitcoin news about miners and network fees. I'm trying to understand it myself, but just want to share with all my viewers here. It's kind of interesting news tidbit, not financial advice. And so let's get started. So Bernstein, they produced an article just recently about which Bitcoin miners to buy, and they actually recommended Riot and CleanSpark. So they came out with this paper that I was able to get from StockTwits. Somebody posted on StockTwits, but it's pretty interesting. January 17th, 2024. Bitcoin and Bitcoin miners, the new network fees business model, evolution to a global financial network. The old narrative is that Bitcoin is a store of value and that the Bitcoin miners earn a Bitcoin subsidies for maintaining the blockchain. The subsidies halves every 4 years. The new narrative, Bitcoin is a store of value and Bitcoin blockchain is turned into a global economic network. Miners earn network transaction fees for disintermediating economic transactions on the Bitcoin blockchain. Are they evolving to become a superior business models with growing network fees? Can Bitcoin miners be re-rated as network fees become material to their top line? Bitcoin miners are best positioned to benefit from growing institutionalization and financialization of Bitcoin. It's not surprising that listed U.S. miners are investing aggressively into a land grab, a higher share of Bitcoin network. A store of value property, digital gold, has been Bitcoin's clear marketing position so far. The core BTC community has resisted any attempts at financialization of the Bitcoin economy, aka building Ethereum-like financial apps. More recently, a new ecosystem of startups and developers has seized the initiative in building an application-based economy on the roughly 900 billion Bitcoin network, which is a small fraction compared to the market cap of gold and other commodities. So we're still in the early stages, not financial advice. We look through the adoption trends and key initiatives so far. Payments with Lightning Network, tokenization, NFTs and ordinals, DeFi and BTC collateral on layer 2 chains, example stacks. You can borrow and lend your Bitcoin on the blockchain. The Lightning Network. Lightning Network is a layer 2 scaling solution for Bitcoin protocol focused exclusively on solving payments scalability. So far, Lightning Network has seen modest growth, but multiple applications are being implemented to improve user experience and integrate with mainstream application. We still think, this is Bernstein, it's the early days, but we like the progress so far. Ordinals and BRC20s. Ordinals are a way of identifying and storing arbitrary data on the Bitcoin blockchain. Ordinal inscriptions are like traditional NFTs, except they exist on the blockchain and are directly inscribed, giving self-custody to the user. They have gained traction among investors, Bitcoin enthusiasts, and developers and collectors. So ordinals, are directly inscribed, giving self-custody to the user. Ordinal inscriptions, okay. BRC20 is an experimental application of the Ordinals protocol. It allows users to design unique, fungible tokens directly on Bitcoin blockchain. BRC tokens have taken off today for trivial use cases such as meme tokens and digital artifacts. Bitcoin Layer 2 blockchains. Bitcoin Layer 2 chains are trying to take Bitcoin from a passive store of value asset to a productive asset. Leading the charge is the Stacks layer. It aims to make a simpler Bitcoin to enter and exit Layer 1 blockchain and to employ smart contracts to maximize the ecosystem's potential for decentralized finance. This will be made possible with SBTC, one-to-one peg to BTC. Is that tokenization of Bitcoin? Nakamoto release and will introduce SBCT, Bitcoin finality, and other security changes in the Stacks protocol. In the long run, this can raise user interest in Bitcoin and raising its value and enhancing its usefulness to everyone. So a lot going on here. Bernstein, digital global assets, this whole new, super highway of Bitcoin and financial transactions. I think it's pretty interesting. I'm trying to understand it more myself. Anyway, if you like this video, give a thumbs up, put a comment in the comments section. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.